Hello, so today we will speak about another subclasses topic. Record classes used as permitted subclasses. Explained with Carrefour shops. In Java, record classes can be used as permitted subclasses in a sealed class or interface. Since record classes are implicitly final, they are a natural fit when you want to define immutable fixed data structures that should not be extended further. Let's model a scenario involving different Carrefour shops. Imagine you're developing retail analytics system where different store types like Carrefour City, Carrefour Market, Carrefour Hyper, and Carrefour Drive need to report their estimated daily customer load. To keep the implementation consistent and controlled, we use a seal interface called Carrefour Shop, which only a specific set of store types are allowed to implement. Here, how the setup looks using record classes. We have test shops with the main method, which print something like system.out.println with new load multiplier, which take as parameter new load sum, which take itself as parameter new city 300 and new market 500. The second parameter of load multiplier is new load negation, which take as parameter new drive 200, and the all do dot estimated load. We define a seal interface that only certain records are allowed to implement. Here we have seal interface, Carrefour Shop, permits, city, market, hyper, drive, load sum, load multiplier, load negation, with each the int estimated load method. Now, let's define the permitted implementation. Each one represents a specific type of Carrefour Shop or a way to calculate load. So you have record city, which take as parameter as field daily visitor, which implement Carrefour Shop, and as method public int estimated load, which return daily visitor the field, and then we finish the method. And it is the same for market, hyper, and drive. And then you can also define composite records that combine or transform over store loads. Composite record is a record using itself over records. For example, here we have record load sum, which take as field Carrefour Shop A and Carrefour Shop B, which implements Carrefour Shop, and as a estimated load method, which returns A.estimated load plus B estimated load. We have then a load multiplier, which take also two Carrefour Shop as parameter and do a multiplication between the estimated load of each parameter. And then the load negation, which take a Carrefour Shop as parameter and return the negation of the estimated load. So, as conclusion, record classes can be used in the permit clause of a seal class or interface. Like here, you see, we can put here records for seal interface permit clause. Since records are implicitly final, they work well for immutable leaf node implementation. Using seal interface with records allow you to design clean, safe hierarchies with well-defined boundaries. In our example, the Carrefour Shop interface defines the domain model where only authorized store types can participate in load calculation. This is a great pattern when designing domain-specific systems where extensibility must be restricted and predictable. Thank you very much. Maybe see you in another video. Bye.